This, ladies and gentlemen, is Harmby Waterfall. And that close, the water is spraying all over us. Just listen to the roar. Absolutely stunning. Wow. Going to head back to the bridge and have a look from this angle. Just look at that, man. Unbelievable. You don't realise what beauty's on your doorstep, you really don't. You actually wouldn't even know this was here. It's hidden behind a wall. You would easily miss it driving past. Very easily. Alright, we'll head back to the bridge. Have a look a little bit further along, see what we've got along there. This is obviously fenced off for a reason, for safety, but we've got a little mini one there. Can't really see anything from here, unfortunately. And that looks like somebody's house there, so we'll try from the other side. Bear with me, it's the first time I've been here, so but it's exercise. There's a bit of uphill, bit of downhill, bits of muddy patches. Just look at that. Look at that. There's a path runs along that side, so we'll have a look along there. I can't get over that waterfall. My God. Unbelievable. Just listen to that roar. Right, we'll have a walk along here and see what we've got. I think we'll probably get a better view along here. I don't think it's going to beat the oh yeah, I don't think it's going to beat the main waterfall over there though. I've got to go back, sorry. I've got to have one more look. That's gorgeous. One more look. And then we'll head off to the next location. I'd be mad not to, seriously.